I really like the concept of service brokers, and what it started out with is, okay, so there's this thing called Open Service Broker API, and it was created by like a group of different companies that came together to build it. And it works off the concept of service catalogs and service registration. So the idea is that, like, let's say you want to deploy an application, and that application needs a MySQL database. So you can create that application within, whether that's within like OpenShift or like Cloud Foundry, or even if you want to like create it on top of Azure, you create your application, and there's a set of service brokers available in the service catalog that can provide different types of resources. And you specify you need a MySQL database, and there's an associated service broker that provides that resource, and it goes out and does the work to allocate and create that resource, and then it gets bound to your application in the service registry. So there's like this relationship made that this application goes to this database instance. And then they kind of like have a shared life cycle. They live together. So if at some point in the future you decide to like delete that application or that application instance, it can optionally delete the database with it. And so it's the idea of like having a set of like fungible resources where you choose ahead of time how you want to provide those resources. It could be, say, a hosted instance like a database as a service instance like RDS, or it could be, running a MySQL operator on Kubernetes, right? And then when you go to deploy an application, you just define what the minimum set of requirements and prerequisites are, and it's the service broker's job to figure out how to fulfill those. And I just like that concept. I think that's a fantastic concept. It just never got developed to the point that I would have hoped to see it, and it seems to have fallen to the wayside.